How about, can you reach this low?
I
Yeah.
can reach that high.
Yeah, you probably could reach higher than that. I can't even reach. Okay. All right, that's pretty high.
You're silly.
You want to play? You want to play the guitar? Should I show you how to play a guitar? Okay, here's what I want you to do. I want you to grab this. You know what this is called? What is it called?
Triangle.
What?
Triangle.
A triangle?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's kind of a triangle. It's called a pick. Yeah, you've ever picked your nose?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's called a pick. You can call it a pick. Pick.
I suppose she associated triangle. Are you associated?
Pick in the nose. Oh yeah? Okay, here's how we hold it. You hold it like this, and then you strum it like this. Do it again. Yeah. Do it again. Not too hard. Do it again. Okay, well, I'll try. One more time. Yay! High five! Okay, now get in line. Get in line. If you want to get in line to play the guitar, I gotta go to the back of the line. You come back. Alright, watch out now. Alright, so you hold it like that. And then strum right down. Did you see it? It goes like, okay, do it again.